5:45 a.m. At 4:01 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of reducing water standards was located 11 nautical miles southwest of Naples, moving northwest heavy gusts. Hazard water spouts at winds gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. These are the 3